Day one. Well, actually, day one was removing the deck. Retaining wall here, patio, retaining wall on the opposite side. And because we want to walk out this back door here, we're going to put a small deck drain along the house because we have about 1 3/4 inch pitch. We don't have any issues down the road. So my goal is, today's Tuesday, the weather stays nice finally. We'll finish this Saturday. Alright, lunchtime is over. Got a geotextile fabric going down. This portion of the job already has 4 inches of stone. Retaining wall base has been built. Second layer of block is being installed now. Caps will be cut. We'll be ready to backfill this area. Staying on schedule. Alright, day 2. Retaining wall is in. As you can see, there's another block underneath that for a proper base. So this wall will never move or shift. It's retaining all of this stone, which in return will be retaining the patio. I'm glad that we did put a second course in, as we always do, because now the customer decided that they would like to put in a column kit here and a sitting wall along here. So we're going to cap it and put a sitting wall on next. Hit a pull line for light. We're going to fix that today. Got about 35 to 40 ton of stone in here yesterday. Today we're going to build the wall. I'm glad we didn't build it yesterday. Once again, we're going to put a column kit here, here, and here, which was an add-on as of yesterday. And then all sitting wall, which again was an add-on. See what we do at the end of the day today. Day 2. Alright, this is day 4. I didn't do a video yesterday, but all the lights are in, walls are in, deck drain is in, stone is the height, columns and walls are in, and we are ready to install pavers. Double checking all of our heights of the stone so we don't have 3/4 inch of sand, 1/2 inch of sand, 2 inches of sand. We're going to have exactly 3/4 of an inch of concrete sand. So after we lay the pavers, we can spread our polymeric sand, tamp it, which gives you a true interlocking paver. And here we go. Alright, day 5. Really 5.5. Started this Tuesday. Friday, we removed the deck. Took a few hours. Today's Saturday, which I'm not big fans of working on Saturdays, but here we are. We're going to tamp it. We're going to glue in that last column lid. The lights are set. On to the next job one day. Alright. Day 5.5. Cambridge XL pattern. Limestone quarry.